I have been obsessing over collagen lately, and when I saw this XSY Collagen Eye Serum, I was like, I need to try this one out. But does it actually work or just another overpriced product? Let's find out. So I got it from Macaron Beauty and this one retails for 2000 plus something, but I got it for a discount for 1400 or 1500 for a 10 ml of the product, which is definitely on a pricier side, but let's see if it's really worth it or not. This is a vegan collagen eye serum. This formula targets both fine lines and deep wrinkles. Got triple hyaluronic acid and 5 different types of peptides, which will hydrate, nourish, and would help to reduce your dark circles and puffiness. This vegan collagen eye serum features a unique formulation of a vitamin C rich fruit extract complex, sunflower seed, jojoba seed oil, and 6 other supernatural extracts that will help to moisturize dry area around the eyes, and this vegan collagen is gently absorbed into the sensitive skin around the eyes. It helps to improve your wrinkles, while the triple hyaluronic acid and 5 peptides complex contribute to smoother and firmer skin around the eyes. Apart from that, this also contains niacinamide adenosine on the top of the ingredient list. This also contains ceramide NP. This product is fragrance free. Comes in a roll-on applicator, which makes the application easy, but it's not the smoothest. If you apply it on a clockwise direction, it is fine, but if you're using it anti-clockwise, you will feel a bit sharp on the skin, so just be mindful of that. Texture, it's a lightweight gel-like consistency, perfect for people with sensitive under eyes or which are prone to milia. It's not at all thick and greasy. If you don't like heavy eye creams, you're gonna love this one. Great for morning use because it helps to depuff the eyes and helps to soothe the tired eyes. But it's not at all a very moisturizing under eye serum. If you have very dry under eyes, this might not be sufficient for you. Now it's time for the results. Now, first claim of this is that it helps to depuff your under eyes and reduce the darkness around the eyes. Definitely yes, but yes, in my case, this is not the first eye serum I have tried. I was using Amino eye serum before this and that has been working really well. You guys know I have shared my experience in this particular video, और मैंने आपको इसमें बताया था that I was sleep deprived and still that has worked really well. And when I started using this one, my under eye dark circles were under control. Like मुझे darkness नहीं नजर आई under eyes पे. My under eyes were fine, like it would brighten up. और लोग जो similar results मुझे अमीनो से मिले थे, वही similar results मुझे इससे मिले. Second claim of this one was it works on fine lines and wrinkles. I think it's too early to judge this one because fine lines, wrinkles, it take time. But now I will be more focused on a eye product which has peptides or collagen, because इससे पहले I was focusing just on the brightness, just like the niacinamide based or the moisturizing ingredients, maybe vitamin C, caffeine and all that. But now I will be religiously using peptides and collagen based eye serums to fight my fine lines, because whenever I see my picture, I can see the fine lines under my eyes and that make me look, I think, 10 years older than my rest of the face. So this, my face is well moisturized. There is no fine lines, touch wood, no wrinkles, any of the lines, no fine lines, no forehead lines. Only lines I have is there here in my under eyes, so I need to work on this. So I will be religiously focusing on the eye product which has peptides or which has collagen in it, so that I can see the visible reduction. So final thought, it's a beautiful eye serum, but of course slightly pricey. But if you're looking for something in Indian skincare market, so yes, we have Amino. You can try that as well. वो भी similar price range पे ही है. But if you're really interested to get a Korean skincare, you can go for this one. Or if you prefer a Indian, then you can go for the Amino one. This one also a beautiful eye serum. But if you're under budget, then we have other options as well. I am working on my part 2 of the best and worst of the eye serums and eye creams. Kindly allow me some time. I will drop it soon. Until, make sure you hit like, share, subscribe and do press the notification bell, so whenever I'll upload that video, you will get notified. I hope this was helpful. Now I'm gonna see you in my next.